What's up, guys? I'm working on a 2018 Nissan nv3500 SL. Customer complaint is sorry about the error. I gotta have that. I'll stand over here so you can hear me. Customer complaint is hard starting. So you have to crank it for it to start. And also, she can't fill the gas tank up. She has to go very, very slowly, and then it'll finally fill up. But she has to do it for the first few gallons, like slow. There is a bulletin on this about the vent lines down here, where let me see if I can show you real quick where the vent valve is with the canister. So we're looking at right here. See, there's the vent valve. That's the canister. I have most of these lines disconnected. Like this line's disconnected. I guess these lines get clogged. None of my lines were clogged. I tested the vent valve. The vent valve is fine. I went and I tested the purge valve. Purge valve is actually bad. Here's the purge valve underneath the hood. This was causing the hard starting, but I know this will not cause your fuel tank not to fill up. Did a smoke test, no leaks. There was flow coming up out of here, but from what I was thinking, it's not like a click off situation where it's clogged. It's partially clogged. So there is, what I found out, a filter before you get to the purge valve here. Now I'll make another video to see if I actually fix this or not. But this filter, when I put my mouth on it to blow, it was hard to blow through it. I could blow through it, but it was hard. So I got my air compressor here, and I just blew 120 psi through this thing. Tons of dirt came out, and now I can blow through it easily. So I'm almost thinking, almost 100% here, that this was the problem. I can't find an actual part number on this thing, so all these numbers aren't part numbers. So I just blew it out, and it definitely cleaned it out, and now it's not restricted. So we'll see if the customer can fill up the gas. I know the hard starting will be fixed. I got to order another one of these. I got to come back another day because that has to be special ordered. It's like 180 bucks. So I'll let you guys know if this fixes it. If you're having the same problem on these cars, I mean, for one, check your vent valve. It's easy to take off, supply power and ground. Make sure with no power that the vent valve is open. With power, it's off. Check your purge valve. If those two check out, check your vent lines. If they're not clogged, check your filter. I don't even know why. I mean, I guess it's a good thing they had a filter, because all that dirt would have been in the canister. But it just seems stupid to me. So I think this was the problem. I'll let you guys know.